Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to disable Copilot in Windows 11. So let's get started. So firstly, right click on an empty area on taskbar. Click on taskbar settings. Now scroll down. Under taskbar items, other system tray icons. Here you will see Microsoft 365 Copilot tab. Turn it off. Also Microsoft Copilot. Turn it off. Turn the toggle off. That's it. Copilot will instantly disappear from your taskbar. And that's the easiest way to disable Copilot in Windows 11. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple window tips. Thanks for watching.